Good afternoon, everybody. It's BA Elevators. We're out here in Bixby, checking out the Bixby Express car wash, which has been... Oh, wow. Okay, this is new. So last time I was here, this was a Belanger Spinlite. I'll go in this lane. 22 buckaroos. Ouch. Got a modern deck, our pay station. Now let me set my phone down real quick. So I have to reach over this pay station.
Enter payment now. Please enter payment now.
So they've got their platinum for $5. I'll gladly take $5 platinum.
Your payment is being processed now.
Thank you for your purchase. Please enter the wash when it is available.
There we go. This is now the Super Klean tunnel wash. So, same guys that run the car wash near my house. And wow, oh wow, have they changed this place up. I'm not gonna can't complain. $5 platinum. This was formerly a Belanger Spinlite, but they have gutted and replaced everything. I was getting him. I'm actually gonna wait to make sure I am within range. I'm going down so I can get these guys' faces on cam. Start me with a body prep. There we go. These are the scrub. My guy got paint there. Whoa. The Super Klean tunnel. Good job, guys. Is that an AccuTrac? I love the light show. Oh my god. Am I hearing the high pressure? I think I am. Also, the light show is gorgeous. Ooh. I cannot see what's going on in here. I see Super Klean signage. Oh god, it is an AccuTrac. There's a soap and lots of it. Now for the AccuTrac. These things, I'm actually wary of these because one took my paint off last time on my back bumper. Second precious guard. More soap. Getting the areas that it didn't cover previously. Dang, what a coverage. Yep, that's an AccuTrac. What's the turbo? Holy crap! What is that thing? AccuTrac again. Holy shnikey, this thing is crazy. Extended shine. Oh, my poor wiper blade. Wow, this thing is nuts. There's another AccuTrac. This is a Petit tunnel. Holy crap, man! This thing's nuts. They did keep the dryers. The engine's got a new cone. Why is that bar? Is that a contouring dryer? What is this monstrosity? Oh wow. What the heck? What is that? Oh, these things are weird. A big old piston on it. Inside. They're moving. What an insane tunnel. What on earth? Gotta make it around this tiny, tight little drive. I actually have to make sure I've still got paint on this thing. Holy crap. God, that thing's powerful. Also, props to Super Klean for making a nice new tunnel. Good grief, that thing is crazy. Alright, that's it for me, folks. What a ride. Thank you, Super Klean, for making it $5. But yeah, this is BA Elevators. See you later. Bye-bye.